Hello, welcome back to these videos with Teacher Kent. Of course, today is our hobby video. So today I'm going to talk about dancing. So far, I think I've talked about Boy Scouts, how I was a Boy Scout for 12 years, Cub Scout and Boy Scouts. And I've also talked about playing chess, which I did in my high school club and also did with my father. And also playing cards, which I did from 3 years old on. And I love Magic, for example. And today, of course, we're going to talk about dancing. So before I continue, don't forget to give us a like below, showing that you're enjoying these videos. So, of course, dancing is great for everybody. You can improve yourself. You can relax. So for me, the most relaxing thing I ever did was dancing and driving. Dancing or driving. So if I had stress at something, I could just dance my troubles away, as they say, or I could drive my troubles away. So maybe I'll do a different video about driving someday. But dancing, yes. So I loved it. And I would go to the dance clubs every Friday and Saturday night, maybe even more than that. So, of course, in America, we have bars where you go drinking and talking with your friends, or you go to dance clubs where action, and I like action. So me, I was always shy around talking. So boom, I would go to the dance club and whatever I felt, I would do. So actually, I love music so much that in college, I was a radio disc jockey for 2 years. So I love every kind of music, and especially dance music, pop music, or any kind of music, even blues or jazz. I loved it. And it was a great way to relax and get on the floor and move your body with the music. And speaking of that, so stay tuned till the end. I'm going to teach you a study tip, which actually helps your creativity for dancing. But of course, this is a Rolling Stone article that just came out in 2022 in the summer. Number one is number one is Donna Summer, I Feel Love, 1977. This is, so if I can go to the top here, this is Rolling Stone's 200 greatest dance songs of all time. So, of course, put these on in your house and enjoy them and move with the music. That's what I loved about dancing. You can move with the music. So I'll put this in the show notes. But of course, Donna Summer has a lot of them here. She has some great ones. And there's some, this list is interesting because there's some really famous people on here, and there's some less famous people on here. So, but they ranked all of them, which ones help you move your body the most. A lot of them, here's Diana Ross. So let's see. So, of course, Ritomic. Sorry, before I say that, so Ritomic is a way to learn creativity with dancing. So, of course, in Japan, it's a common style where they'll turn on the music. I think it's used overseas too, but in Japan, it's called Ritomic, where you turn on the music and kids are supposed to move with the sound. So it teaches them flexibility and especially creativity. Like when you hear something, boom, move with it. Not like a boys band or girls band, like NSYNC or Backstreet Boys or BTS. Not like a set movement, but here's the music, boom, do it. And that teaches them flexibility and creativity, like I said. So it's very interesting. I'll tell you a quick story from my dancing days. Is when I was in high school, actually, the talent show. I have almost no talent. I'm not great at sports, and I don't like being in front of people. But one of my friends offered me to join his band, and he made like 15, 20 people, like his friends. He's very popular, and some of them played the instruments, some of them sang, and he wanted me to stand in the front and dance. I was like, what the? But I can't. I told him I can't sing. Well, what am I going to do? So, of course, he said, no, don't worry about it. We'll turn your microphone off because he knows I'm not a great dancer. I'm sorry, not a great singer. But he said, you can move. So go ahead and move up front. So it's very interesting. So speaking of that, it's now that I've lived in Japan a long time, there's a Japanese band called Exile, which is exactly that. Exile has 9 or 15 members between there, and only 2 of them, 1 or 2 of them, are actually singers. Most of the band are only dancers, which if I had known that when I was young, I would have loved to join such a band. So hopefully you can move with the music. Check out that list that I showed you earlier, and put some music on in your house whenever you have stress. Like let's chill out, no matter where you are, even if there's not a dance club near you. And until next time, of course, we'll be talking recommended videos. We'll be our next time. Oh, recommended TV shows, movies, things like that. So please watch next week. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe, of course, and watch these similar videos here. And up here, of course, we have some popular videos on our channel. Until tomorrow, have a good day and take care of yourself. See you.